Okay, today's assignment is about changing the color of something. I have left a couple of images here that you're going to have the option to use, or you can use two images of your own. Today we're going to be using the hue setting in our Photoshop. So the first thing to do is click on an image. So let's try the image Hue 2 here. I bring this up, I right click, I save image as, and it goes into a download. So as I do that, I will hit save in my downloads, which is on another screen. In fact, I'll bring that screen right up here so you can see it. There's Hue 2, JPEG image. I'll hit save. And once that goes down into my downloads, if you don't already have it, you can take that and just simply drag it into Photoshop. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drag it in there. It should create something that is new, I hope. It doesn't seem to be doing a whole lot yet, so maybe I'll create new. When I create new, I get any one of these I can open up. I'll create. Now, I'll go in and try to do that one more time. I'll take this hue, drag it down into my Photoshop, and then up. Once I have a palette I can drag it onto, then it should show up. So once you have that on there and you have that sized the way you want it, you could size it down if you like. You can rotate it if you like, however you'd like to move it around the screen. We're going to see if we can now change the color of this using the hue command. So I'll hit enter and we'll start our tutorial. What you want to do is go over to adjustments and then down to this box. It's on the far left side middle row. Create a new hue or saturation adjustment layer. So we'll do that. And when we do, we can simply take our hue and drag it through the color spectrum. And as we do that, you'll notice that the shoe definitely starts to change color. I'm in green, but the shoe is pink. And it becomes purple, and so on. So you can easily change the color of any image as long as you drag hue about. So this image already was pretty good with its saturation. But let's say I wanted that blue shoe. We could drag that saturation down a little bit to make that a little bit less vivid. And I might like that. That seems like a good one. So that is one of two photos that you'll be using. You can drag your other photo in the exact same way, and I won't ruin the surprise for you, but you can certainly get that second set of shoes in there to see what changes, what hues. And once you have two hues you like, take that image or those images, and I want you to File, Save As, and then save it as a JPEG so you can turn it back into your page. All right, that's it for now. Obviously, feel free to ask me for any help if you need it, and I will see you next time.